Hello, this is Happy Jake here, and sorry for not uploading for a really long time, but as a punishment, I have bought the most, ratty looking MS-6s I have ever on eBay for $1 plus $16.23 shipping, so he doesn't appear under my bed tonight for claiming that they're actually just $1. As you can see, the box is very representative of the whole nature of what's inside. Yeah, let's just open it. I can't really describe this with words anymore. You just have to see them. Also, we're filming this on a Sony Mavica FD, what is it?
FD97.
Yeah. And come on. It can only film for 15 seconds at a time. So, yeah, in the spirit of this whole thing, oh my god, we are absolutely filming an insane number of tiny videos. This is hilarious. I can actually open these. Come on. Okay, I hope I don't cut myself. That would not be funny. Okay, we in shot? Yeah. Oh yeah, did I mention there's 3 of them? Because there's 3 of them. Trying to not do stuff in between the takes. Okay, so number 1. Beautiful. Oh god.
Oh,
that
man.
does not feel nice to the touch. Oh, it's like... Number 2 is also missing a lock. The back isn't so bad. Shame about the label though. And number 3.
These must have been outside.
Yeah. Okay, it's the best, but maybe it's the worst. Cause look, I could probably break this if I wanted to. I don't want to though. Maybe I could, attempt to scan it or something. Cause something happened with the. I bet it's because the lettering is raised. Those were like air pockets. Yeah, but not that bad besides the labels, and we could make something new. You can see how nice the back is because they were protected against the wall. But yeah, all 3 are missing switches, and one's missing a lock. So hopefully we'll be able to find replacement switches because they look like the BG10s, and put in double pull, double throw switches, which are awesome. This camera short recording time is getting a bit annoying, but then I guess I'll wrap this up real quick by saying...
Most concise video ever.
Yeah.
This has been Happy Jake Production.
No, wait, no! They're extruded. Okay, I was gonna say, they are extruded aluminum, I believe, because the back part is shared with the MS-2 and just extruded like this from the machine, and the front part is extruded sideways like this. So that explains a lot of why the MS-2 MS-6 are like the way they are, but kind of strange that there's no dual action version of the MS-6. Maybe it's because of the key, but I don't know, what would be stopping them? MS-2 just seems a bit more complicated than it has to be for manufacturing reasons, but I don't care because it's cool and I love it and it looks really cool and it's unique, so yeah.